Hello, in this video we will learn about pointers and array. So first let us look at a code and run it. Now here you can see that the addresses of each of the array element is printed. Now you can see that there is a difference of 4 bytes between two consecutive array elements. This is because the size of the int is 4 bytes in our compiler. Now notice that the address of the first element of the array, that is ampersand x0, and the address of x is the same. This is because the variable name x points to the first element of the array. Now from this code we can understand that ampersand x0 is equivalent to x and x0 is equivalent to star x. Similarly, ampersand x1 is equivalent to x plus 1 and the value stored in x1 is equivalent to star x plus 1 and so on. Now, in most contexts, array names decay to pointers, which means that array names are converted to pointers. That is the reason you can use pointers to access elements of array. However, remember that pointers and arrays are not the same. Now let us look at another example. Now in this code we are declaring an integer array x and an integer pointer ptr, where ptr is assigned the address of the third element of the array, that is x2. Now we are printing this array element using this pointer ptr. Now in the next line we are using star ptr plus 1, which means that it will print the fourth element of the array. And in the following line we are using star ptr minus 1, which means it will print the second element of the array. So as you can see, we can use pointers to access an array element. And that's all for now. Thank you for your patient listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for further videos on this course. Thank you.